Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will share to you a software that will help you to share Facebook posts to multiple groups at once. Firstly, you need to have a list of groups that you want to share. I will use the MKT UID to scan the group by keyword. So I will scan 200 groups with the slot gaker keywords. Okay, after it's finished, I will export Excel with these groups. I'll name it slot gaker. So I will open it. For example, this Excel will have this information such as name of groups, type of groups, or consensus. And I will choose the type is public and which is open, and I will copy all the UID of groups that I want to share post to them. I will use the MKT Care, which will help me to manage a lot of Facebook account here. And then I will click on the viral marketing functions. Click on the share post here. I will set up the number. And here you need to get the ID of the post that you want to share. For example, I will get the link. I will get this post, for example. I will transfer this URL to the UID. Okay, this is the UID of the post, and I will enter the ID post here, and I will enter the ID of groups that I scan in the Excel file. Here I will enter this here, and finally I will select all the Facebook account that I have in the software. I will choose the account, and you just need to click on the start button, and the process of sharing posts to multiple groups will start. So if you want to try the software, please contact me with the information below. Thanks for watching.